Hello everyone, welcome to GTG Ludhiana. So now today's our session will be about how can we use our socials like LinkedIn, Twitter, especially LinkedIn, to the stage, and we can connect with more people and get more speaking opportunities from like TED Talks or Josh Talks. So I have already gone to Josh Talks and I have spoken there. Also, I've been invited in many events like GTG Ludhiana Dev Fest 2023, 2022. So now today's table of content, what we will be discussing about. First of all, I will be discussing about myself. I will introduce myself. Then now why LinkedIn is crucial for your career, how it can help you to connect with more like-minded people, and building a standout profile where we will be doing optimization of your profile. How can we make your profile look good right out there? Then content creation strategies, like how what type of content you should post. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, what type of content you should post. Then transitioning to the speaking opportunities, कैसे आप उन चीज़ों को speaking opportunities में तब्दील कर सकते हो. And then my journey, I will be discussing about myself, that how I have did this, how I have been invited to many events. Now, first of all, let's do introduction part. Myself is Divjot Singh Arora. I am the 14 years old young developer and entrepreneur, founder and CEO of SOS Tech Group. Author of three books, full stack developer Java and Python, growth lead at GTG Louisiana, and Google crowdsource influencer. Why LinkedIn matters. Why LinkedIn is crucial for your career. That's what we will be discussing about. Key stats, like the statistics. Let's talk about statistics that I got officially. 875 plus million. 875 million professionals use LinkedIn globally. 50% of hiring managers use LinkedIn to find talent, right? To find employees, or to use it as hiring opportunities. To get more hiring opportunity, you can use LinkedIn also. So why you need it? It can play a role of your like digital resume, digitally how you can a professional portfolio like thing. Then you can showcase your expertise and achievements, like today I have did this, today I have met these people, today I have been going invited at this. So that's what you can also share your achievements, then share your journey, that it's day one of my coding, day 100, day 300. It will help you a lot. Then you can post the content which can be helpful to you and the audience also, which will help the audience. And also you can post, you should post infographics. So we will be discussing about that very deeply in detail. Just, yeah, deeply soon. So now connect with industry leaders and new opportunities. Many experts are there. The founder and CEOs of companies are there on LinkedIn and Twitter. Especially they are the emerging hub for the leaders. That's what most top of leaders prefer to use, the LinkedIn and the Twitter. These are the two platforms. Now, building a standard profile. How can we boost our profile? How can we or look or make our profile look professional and more attractive as per the human nature? So we will be sorry, just wait. Present. Okay. Now we will be doing going to linkedin.com. So there, like, let's go to there. So here the profile pic, you can post it like this profile picture, or something like this, which is the animated picture, but it is preferred to use your picture. Then second thing is write an engaging headline, where like this you can use this method. This is the most preferred method and most of the people use this method, where you just add your one role, then just a one, you can say Dundee, that type of thing. Author of 5+ books, like that's. And then again मैंने एक वहाँ पर एक यूज़ करा. देन अगेन मैंने यहाँ पे एक प्रो लिखा, एंड देन मैंने अगेन यहाँ पे यूज़ करा ग्रोथ लीड एट GTG Ludhiana. Then again same thing. So something like that. Then you can add your portfolio link. You can make your you can increase your portfolio followers by sharing the top things. So this is my Joe Stokes one. This is I participated in a hackathon and I won it, so I posted it there. So that's what we should do. So like I have been doing giveaways, then I was sharing the day 25 of 100 days of code challenge. Now I'm not active at that much active in LinkedIn because of some prior commitments, but yeah, LinkedIn is a very helpful and it helped me a lot in building myself. So yeah, that's why I prefer just yeah. So so yeah, great. Now you can add, make your about section look where you will be briefly talking about yourself, like what you did, how you did. I am so पूरा आपको यहाँ पे deeply अपनी पूरी प्रोफाइल लिखनी है about में. And yeah, this matters a lot. Top skills, you can see the top skills that you should add. And यहाँ पर तुम्हें अपना वो मिल जाएगा, endorsement मिल जाएंगी. What is endorsement? Endorsement is type of thing like review. You are reviewing someone upon the role you played with him, like the how you were connected, how the relationship that you played, like you worked with him as he was your boss, or or you was his boss and he was your employee. So you can use that thing in that. Okay, so after that you can see ethical hacking. So ठीक है, so endorsement do helpful, but it's not that much helpful. But yeah, it makes your profile looks good as per that. So you can add your services section if you provide services. So I have my firm Associate Services, which is a digital marketing agency. So that's why I have added the things there. So and yeah, that's what it is. So you can add license and certifications there, projects, where the volunteering, where you did volunteer. You, the volunteering work you can post, add here. Sorry for the this. So recommendation is same like endorsement, but endorsement is specifically on a skill. It is on the basic, on the whole profile, that this is what it is. This is how he is, the this is how the person is. I am very impressed with him and his this quality. That's what you should. And you can then add your courses, that courses that you did, honors and awards. You can add honors and awards there. So then you can add languages. This is just that interests you can add. That's it. I was also LinkedIn top voice, but then I just stopped adding content on LinkedIn, so that's why my tab badge got removed. Then yeah, banner. You should post a banner with a where you will be adding your top thing. Top will be like the main headline, the main thing that you do, founder and CEO of at Associate Groups. It's my main hobby, and it's my main, sorry, passion. It's my main company, so it's my main role. That's why I have added it there. Then on the bold letters, your the name, then phone number, then email. It's not necessary, but if you're looking for job you can add, or if you have firm like me, so then also you can add. Then it's my personal portfolio, because it's my more than a that profile, it's my professional profile. So that's why more than my company profile, it's a professional sorry, profile. Optimize your about section. I think we have discussed about everything there, and let's move to the next part. Okay, so my journey, before my journey, let's talk about the content creation strategies, the type of content you should post. So there is one of the person who I have worked with them very closely, like we did together in companies and communities, sorry, where where we helped many people and we work together. So you can see her content. Yeah, like sorry, let's take any example. You will see many example like this. Just wait a minute. सो हाँ, जैसे कि यहाँ पर आई एम हैप्पी टू शेयर दैट आई गॉट फीचर्ड ऑन टाइम्स स्क्वायर न्यूयॉर्क. So it's something like achievements. That's why that person shared it. So same you should do. Same Google FLL DM me. Sorry, that's a different thing. Okay, so there are some content poster. I know one Ram Maheshwari. Yeah, this one. He posts a very great content, man, like 100 160K followers. Impressive. So what he did was, see, he the massive library feature. So he gives the tools that this tool can be helpful for the developers. Okay, so he tells about the tools. Then he also tells about some tips and tricks like this. Learn how to create different shapes. Okay, now the engagement reels are very plays a very big role, because if any company see that हाँ यार ये तो अच्छा कर रहा है, ये तो अच्छा है ना, ये अपनी सिखा भी रहा है साथ साथ, या अपनी पूरा डेमो दे रहा है, इट्स होल वीडियो यार, इट्स वेरी गुड. And this is how you should post content on LinkedIn. It's very helpful and it will help you to grow initially. Initially, your growth will be slow, but day by day, just don't lose hope. Like this. Having a great time. ठीक है, heard about around CSS grid. Don't sweat it. This cheat sheet. So it's a type something like cheat sheet. Okay. The developers are at Nike are gangster. So it's something like that, guys. मतलब थोड़ा फन के साथ कंटेंट पोस्ट करो, मज़ा आएगा आपको भी, और जो लोग हैं उनको भी मज़ा आएगा. ठीक है. तो आई थिंक मैंने आपको बस समझा ही दिया, बाकी मैंने आपको थोड़ा सा वैसे भी दिखा दिया था दैट हाउ द कंटेंट शुड बी. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट माय जर्नी. सो व्हाट आई डिड टू गेट देयर and to become growth leader at GTG Ludhiana. So first of all, the Jipinda Palsa who saw me on LinkedIn or and other socials, they saw that yaar, he's a very young person, so he can do something, and that's why he invited me at GDH Ludhiana to speak. So first I spoke on the event. Then I got GDG Ludhiana, got promoted to growth lead at GDG Ludhiana. So how it specifically helped me. So the if I was not on LinkedIn, if I would have not optimized my profile, if I was not posting content, then definitely I would not have been reached to Sipin the Pulse up. So like obviously, so then automatically I go to them and then he mailed me. So this is how the things work. Like, to if you just start working, and then you should also start DMing to people, like many people. So I have did very before, but now I receive many ones. So it's something like that you should do, start doing this. ठीक है, पहले मैं करता था DM, आज मुझे DM आ रहे. So that's something like that. यार प्रमोशन है ये तो, सारी कुछ खास नहीं है, कुछ not so proud of your thing. So not so proud. ठीक है. एंड अब तो बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब मैं कर ही नहीं रहा ज़्यादा लिंक्डइन पे, बिकॉज मैं कुछ और प्रोजेक्ट्स पे वर्क कर रहा हूँ. So something like that, भाई. Just simple, just starting is the main thing. And once you start, everything will work fine. Start posting content, start connecting with people, start attending workshops, start joining communities. Like Jidiluthiana is a community of like-minded people where people to come together and start learning. So same, there are many communities like it. My own community, such a community consists 10,000 plus members. So you can also be the one of the member of that community. So that's what it is, guys. This is the time of AI. This is the era of AI. So you should upgrade yourself to the to some extent that हाँ यार AI तुम्हें कुछ तंग ना कर सके at least for 10 years, so that तुम्हारा एक career, एक you can achieve a stable career. LinkedIn and any other social plays a very big role. So start creating content. Content creation is the key to success. So yeah, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.